With Mother's Day around the corner, what better place than to visit the amazing Wrattens in Chislehurst High Street? Maureen here has picked out a few pieces from the shop which would make the perfect gift for any mum.
Thank you, April. Just wanted to show you a few things that we have in the shop for Mother's Day. Have some nice soaps, nice smellies, have a selection of mugs. This particular one is Gorgeous Mummy. We have a cheeky sign, Gin keeps my mummy sane. We have a ring stand and we have a lovely necklace as well, but it's something that mummy might like.
We have two really simple, easy recipes for you this month that are perfect for Mother's Day. The first is a cherry tomato and basil tart, and we also have triple chocolate brownies with raspberries. So for those of you who have a sweet tooth, I'd definitely try these out.
Absolutely delicious.